Okay, so we are starting from where we left. This is what we were doing. After simplifying, we had reached here. 2 into 1 over cos A, and as you see, 1 over cos A actually is secant A. So we can further write this expression as 2 times secant A. And if you compare, this is actually what we wanted to prove. This is the right hand side. Anyone who would like to discuss this with me over again, I can go over it quickly and then we will start with the next part. Okay, so it's clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take a look at the next part of the exercise. Third part, we have tan A over 1 minus cot, tan theta over 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta over 1 minus tan theta equals to this expression. And the clue is write the expressions in terms of sine theta and cos theta. This is something which I've already told you. Now, I think in this particular part, you have to change both sides into sine and cos, just for convenience, I think. But let us see what we get. Let's start with this. You should start solving this on your own if you want to actually get the practice. कि आप कर पाते हो कि नहीं कर पाते हो, बता I'll suggest कि आप साथ साथ अपनी कॉपी पे करो rather than noting down from the screen. So note down the expression from your book and then try simplifying on your own. And then in between you can just watch what I am doing so that you can see if you are going the right way or not. This is what we have. I'll just start with the left hand side, and as it's suggested in the question, to change these into sine and cos, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'll just write down the expressions. Sometimes it gets complicated when you change to sine cos, so be a little careful. It's minus 1. I'm going to take LCM in the denominator now. The numerator is still the same. There is no change in the numerator. This is as such here. If I could just write this in. Let me know if it's clear till here. What I have done. I have taken tan and cot, I've converted them into sine over cos. Tan is written as sine over cos and cot is the reciprocal of it. So sine over cos is tan and cot is cos over sine. In the denominator, since I had subtraction, I have taken LCM in the denominators. So after taking LCM in the denominators, I get these brackets. After that, I have a fraction over fraction. So this fraction over this fraction, this has been written using multiplication. I earlier also discussed with you, like if you have A over B, there is a fraction in the numerator and there is a fraction in the denominator. This actually means this is what's happening. So this is your numerator and you're dividing it by the denominator. And how do you solve it? By taking the reciprocal of the second fraction. The other day when I was discussing this, Kanishka was answering, Sanmeet was answering, Sahaj was also answering, but there was some problem with my headphones, so I could not hear you. So this is what I have done here. Denominator will be inverted. उसका reciprocal हो जाएगा. So the denominator comes on the top with multiplication and you get the reciprocal of it. So from here, if you see, you get sine square theta over cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta plus on this side, yes, Kanishka?
मैम मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही रेसिप्रोकेट करके कर दिया, तो मेरा आंसर सेम नहीं आ रहा.
यहाँ पे
यस मैम.
यहाँ नहीं कर सकते आप, जब तक आपका डिनोमिनेटर सिंप्लीफाई नहीं हो जाता तब तक नहीं आप रेसिप्रोकल कर सकते. You have to
Okay,
first
ma'am.
simplify the denominator and then take reciprocal. So this is the simplified form. इससे आगे कुछ नहीं हो सकता. कोई like terms नहीं है. I cannot do anything. But it's not possible. Already, Sahaj, we have deleted one chapter, applications from trigonometry. अगर आपके एग्जाम्स सितंबर में होते तो I think हम वो भी करते. Since your exams are being like kind of preponed, so we don't have choice. Now, at this point, there is a step or something which you need to remember. I'll just try to indicate here. So if you look at the denominator, we want to take LCM here. At this step, we want to take LCM here. But if I look at my denominator, the denominator will be the product of all the terms that I have. तो डिनोमिनेटर में जितनी टर्म्स आपको नजर आ रही हैं उनका प्रोडक्ट आना है यहाँ पे. तो एक आपके पास आ गया cos थीटा, इधर से एक आपके पास sin थीटा. Now if I look at this bracket, do you see something similar here? Observe this, that the terms here in the bracket are same, the order is different. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So I am just going to fix this. I'm going to fix the order. So I will be doing one thing. I'll just, rather than writing this, let me just change this step. Let's first fix this, the order. So I'll keep the first bracket or the first expression as such. No change. Here is no change. Now over here, what I'm doing is, can you see I have changed the sign?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what you want to observe. Now what I did was, this bracket has been written like taking minus sign common. The denominator has been written this way. See if it is same. अगर हम ये माइनस साइन अंदर लेके जाएं तो यही चीज बनेगी, नेगेटिव साइन पॉजिटिव कॉज. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
After this, you have the same binomial in the denominator, and now I'm going to take LCM. So my LCM will have these two terms, cos theta, sin theta, along with the binomial, sin theta minus cos theta. And now your numerator will be this. Anyone who would like to ask, how did we write this? Compare the denominator with the LCM. This is the denominator. Compare this with the LCM and the term which is missing. Which term is missing? This term is missing. This term will be written in the numerator. So it's like I have done this. Sin theta into sin theta. And second fraction will be modified like this. So that's why I have cos theta here. Do you want me to repeat this?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'll just go over from, okay, let me know, Sahesh, from which step do you want me to repeat?
Ma'am, last two steps.
The ones in purple.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just start from here. I'm now going to write in detail actually so that it makes sense to you. Earlier I thought that it would just be easier. It's only simplification. It's not difficult. You don't have to get confused. Don't think that if a sum requires more simplification, it's tough. It's not difficult. So let's just write this. This is sine square theta over cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Then over here I have cos square theta over sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. So I am only going to change this. Just watch. I'm not changing the first fraction or first term at all. I am just changing this. This has been written this way. Minus has been taken common. Is this step clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Adjust the negative with the plus sign in the middle. So this negative and this positive sign, they make minus. And I still have the same binomial. Since multiplication is commutative, हम आगे पीछे लिख सकते हैं terms को. Anyone who is not clear what we did here? माइनस कॉमन लिया है, सिर्फ ये चीज चेंज की है इस स्टेप पे. अभी तक सिर्फ मैंने इसको मॉडिफाई किया है इसका ऑर्डर ठीक करने के लिए. वंस द ऑर्डर इज फिक्स्ड, ऑर्डर जब मैंने फिक्स किया तो माइनस कॉमन आया, वो जो माइनस था उसने बीच वाले प्लस साइन को माइनस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. And this, at this step, I want to take the LCM. So at this step, when I want to take the LCM, I realize that my denominators contain सेम बाइनोमियल। तो एलसीएम में जो आएगा ये तो टर्म एज इट इज आ जाएगी, साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा। एक ये टर्म तो एज इट इज आ गई बिकॉज ये दोनों के पास। इसके अलावा जो एक्स्ट्रा फैक्टर्स हैं ये दोनों फैक्टर्स भी आपके पास डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएंगे। दिस इज व्हाट योर एलसीएम इज। Is this clear how the LCM is this?
Yes, ma'am.
आपको यूजुअली डिनोमिनेटर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है, लेकिन हम पूरे के पूरे डिनोमिनेटर्स को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे। एक जो ब्रैकेट वाला एक्सप्रेशन है वो सेम है, तो वो तो एज इट इज आ गया। ब्रैकेट वाले एक्सप्रेशन एज इट इज आ गए, उसको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना। उनके अलावा जो चीजें बच गई उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है साथ में। So LCM has been written by noting down the common binomial and non-common monomials. This is how we obtained the LCM. एक ब्रैकेट आ गई और जो उनके साथ साइन और कॉज पड़े हुए थे उनको भी हमने साथ में अटैच कर दिया, हमारा LCM आ गया। अब इसके बाद आपने ये कोशिश करनी है कि आपके पास ये वाली और ये वाली जो फ्रैक्शंस हैं इनके डिनोमिनेटर एलसीएम के इक्वल हो जाए। इफ यू कंपेयर दिस विद द एलसीएम, व्हिच टर्म इज मिसिंग? ये मैच हो रही है, कॉज कॉज मैच हो रहा है, व्हिच फैक्टर इज मिसिंग?
sin theta.
So we are going to introduce sin theta here. तो अब ये सेम हो जाएगा। इसको इस तरह से सोचो, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि नीचे 21 बन जाए?
7 से।
सेम थिंग, यहाँ पे आपको डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाना है। द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ दिस फ्रैक्शन शुड बी सेम एज द एलसीएम। आपको डिनोमिनेटर को एलसीएम के इक्वल करना होता है। तो हम फिर डिसाइड करते हैं कि किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए ताकि जो हमारी फ्रैक्शन है उसका डिनोमिनेटर एलसीएम के इक्वल हो जाए। तो यहाँ पे हम साइन थीटा से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। एंड वंस वी डू दैट, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू राइट दिस हियर, यू कैन जस्ट कीप दिस इन माइंड। आपको ये यहाँ पे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप माइंड में रख सकते हो कि आपने क्या करना है। जो टर्म मिसिंग है उसको न्यूमिनेटर के साथ अटैच कर देना है। तो व्हेन यू ऑब्जर्व्ड, इस डिनोमिनेटर में और इस डिनोमिनेटर में क्या चीज मिसिंग थी? साइन मिसिंग था, तो साइन एक्स्ट्रा आ जाएगा न्यूमिनेटर में। सेम थिंग इन द सेकेंड साइड। सेकेंड साइड पे चेक करो, if you compare the denominator with this, what is missing?
cos theta.
So cos will be written in the numerator. Is this clear, Sahaj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what do we have? We have sine cube theta minus cos cube theta. In the denominator I have sin theta minus cos theta along with cos theta and sin theta. At this step, I have only option to use the cubic identity. Who remembers this? This is what we had. This is the factorization for cubic identity. Can you help me factorize the numerator now?
Ma'am, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b.
वो बेटा a minus b whole cube था। ये वाली आइडेंटिटी नहीं लगा रहे हम, एक ही आइडेंटिटी थी, हम ये नहीं लगा रहे। हम ये लगा रहे हैं, सेपरेट सेपरेट क्यूब है, फर्स्ट टर्म का क्यूब है, सेकेंड टर्म का क्यूब है, आपके पास ये टर्म्स आएंगी, द डिफरेंस ऑफ द टू टर्म्स। तो आपके पास आएगा साइन माइनस कॉस and in the second bracket you will have square, square and product. So you will have sine square plus cos square plus their product. This is the expansion of the numerator. The denominator is still this, sine minus cos into cos into sine. What do I do next?
Cancel.
Sine and cos will get cancelled.
Yes, this binomial will get cancelled. So I am left with this.
1.
That's right. That's right, Harshit. This actually is 1. I'll just write down what's left and then I'll replace. I'm left with this bracket from the numerator. In the denominator, I'm left with sine theta and cos theta. And at this point, you can realize that these two, they form identity. And their value is 1. Okay, now you can either simplify this or you can work with your right hand side. इस पॉइंट पे या तो आप इसी को सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो या फिर आप राइट हैंड साइड को सॉल्व कर सकते हो. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू वर्क विद दिस. What I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the denominator for both terms in the numerator. Tell me if I can write it this way. It's like if you have 2 plus 3 over 7, I can write it as 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
This is what I
ma'am.
have done. So this is what I have done here. Now, does that help in any simplification?
Cancel.
ये cancel हो गया, यहाँ पे 1 बन गया. What about first term? This actually is 1 over sine theta into 1 over cos theta.
1 over cos theta.
1 over sine theta क्या होगा? Sine का reciprocal.
Cosecant.
Cosecant.
Secant.
And cos का reciprocal?
Secant.
Secant.
And compare it with the RHS now.
RH equal to RHS, ma'am.
This is equal to RHS.
Hence proved.
Hence proved. Thank you, Shreyas. I would like you to revise this on your own once. This particular part, एक बार दोबारा खुद से revise करना. सिर्फ इसमें calculation ज़्यादा है, otherwise it's not complicated. Complicated part जब आएगा मैं आपको खुद बोलूंगी कि बेटा इसमें याद करना है, आपको किसको ऐसे ही solve करना है. इसमें भी कुछ याद करने वाला नहीं है. This is only simplification. थोड़ा सा LCM ध्यान से लेना है. LCM जब लिया उसके बाद जो न्यूमिरेटर्स हैं वो कैसे चेंज हुए, because you have not worked with sin and cos. अगर यही चीज XYZ में होती मे भी आपको थोड़ा easy लगता. So think of these as XYZ and work with them exactly like that. Don't get confused. Sin cos का और कुछ relation नहीं है यहाँ पे. Unless they form an identity. आपने बिल्कुल इनको variables की तरह treat करना है. आपका कोई algebraic formula बन रहा है, a square b square cubic identity बन रही है, just apply that identity. Can we now do the next one? The next part that we have is this one. 1 plus secant A over secant A equals to sine square A over 1 minus cos A. And again, they have given you a clue. Simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. Yes, Anshpreet? Anshpreet, beta, you've raised your hand. So we will simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. On left hand side, we are going to change secant into cos. And on right hand side, this part will be simplified using identity, the trigonometric identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So from there, sine square value is this. This is what we are going to use. And then you can solve. I have converted secant into 1 over cos. What will happen now? I have taken LCM also in the numerator. This gets cancelled. So I am left with cos.
Theta plus 1.
This is what I'm left with. Right? Now let's work with the right hand side. So here I'm going to use the trigonometric identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, which means sine square theta is actually 1 minus cos square theta. Theta नहीं लिखना, यहाँ पे आपके पास a है. So the numerator will actually be 1 minus cos square a. And
RHS is equal to 1 plus cos theta.
Once again, that's right, Shreyas. Please don't cancel cos and cos. 1 ही cancel कर देने. Factorize this. So the numerator can actually be factorized. The numerator is a square minus b square. And which can be converted into 2 factors.
LHS is equal to RHS.
And that's all. We'll continue the rest here tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.